So now it's our day 2. We're still here in Biliran Island. So now we're going to Dalutan Island. So we're here in Kuko Grove, Talahid Beach Resort in Almeria. So we go that island there for swimming. There's a white beach there in Dalutan Island together with Sir Mane, Ma'am Ethel Group, Kuya Nold, and friends from Baguio City. So let's go island hopping here in Biliran. Okay, Loli. Oh, that's our boat there. See? So that's the boat going to that island over there. Ta-da! Okay, riding on the boat. Time to Dalutan Island.
Dalutan Kuya Joe, asan yun?
Dalutan Island. Welcome Dalutan Island. White Sand. Yay! Dito na tayo. Okay. Ready?
Ready! Ready! Hey! Hey! Hey!
Oo nga, mabato.
Okay.
Kuya! Hindi na dito. Pagbalik.
For snorkeling.
Dudutin.
Ayan. Sunset natin.
Ato, sok. Ano ba to? Kang malambot ba to? Matigas. Yan ang pating, ma'am.
Sunset yung pating.
Okay, kayo na lang mag-snorkel. May pating.
Very beautiful white sand. So over there, there's somebody there. They're getting some sea urchin. So later we're gonna buy sea urchin. Tuyum. So long sand. Very nice. So they are over there. There's no snorkeling there. Very nice. It's a cottage here. So they have a cottage here, 600 pesos. And the entrance here is 40 pesos. So there's no snorkeling there. Far away there. Snorkel time. Very nice. Dalutan Island. So over there you can see Marapipi Island. And this big mountain here is Mount Panamao. And there are the Tres Marias. Yeah. So it's very nice here. Beautiful paradise. Dalutan Island, Almeria, Biliran. No, very nice. So 10 o'clock we're going back later to Talahid Beach. Gonna check out there and we'll still go around Biliran. Maybe going to the hot spring there. So it's nice here. Paradise. So after our canyoning yesterday, so now we're just relaxing here in Biliran. Island hopping, exploring, and other tourist spot here in Biliran Island. Ano yung moral?
Niya sa Luzon kay nakamotor.
Dalutan Island. So back to the boat. So, yeah, bye Dalutan. So, back to Talahid Beach. Maraming salamat. Okay. Back to the boat. Back to Dalutan. Dalutan now. For lunch. Okay, back to Talahid. Back to mainland. Okay. Specialty in Talahid, their chicken. Lechon manok. Sige na, nahin mo na.
Yeah.
Okay,
Okay,
yan.
yan.
Okay. Ayan.
Ano una mahuhugot?
Oh.
Leg.
Oh, yan, wow. So yummy. The lechon manok here in Talahid Beach. Time para may energy yung aming lechon. Oh, naubos na. Konti na lang yung manok. Pero may pahabol pa yan mamaya.
Ubos ng manok pero guys.
Oh, yan, marami pa. Oh, yung rice hindi pa nakuhan. Nabawasan.
Wala ba? Banda yun ang aba.
Yeah. Okay.
Sabi?
On the way to Tacloban. So we're near now Palok. And in Palok, we're here in Sermane place. Gonna take a rest. Welcome. Welcome. Ito yung mga fish.
Daramihan na katuta dalutan.
Ito na mayroon dito.
Fighting
Ah, maliit lang.
Ay, sipon niya.
Yung
Ah, yan.
fighting fish.
Yan?
Yung blue, nasa gitna.
Ah, mayroon yan. Ayun.
Tago lang.
Ah. Ito, anong isda?
Yan, halo-halo lang yan.
Mga 2 hours mo.
Wala.
Moli. Hindi ko ano natawag eh. Galing kay Hector yan eh.
Ah, ito.
Lahat yan. Bigay ni Hector eh.
Ah.
Timba. Buhay pa yung tatlo doon. Tatlong araw na rin eh. Hindi ko pinapakain. Buhay pa. Naglagay nga ako. Hindi pag sana kinakain lang yung lipat.
Tarokog.
Takurog. Hindi nagkurog.
Very nice.
Very yummy.
Tarokog.
Oh, shrimp. Chicharon shrimp.
Very nice.
Very nice.
Very yummy.
Yummy.
Nutritious.
With vinegar.
Delicious.
Yeah, delicious. So. You ready? Are you ready? Yeah, we're having fun. We're having fun. We're here in Palo. Yeah.
Sir Johnny is in the house.
Yeah, okay. We're having fun now. After canyoning, we're having fun. Yeah, right. With Sir Manning there and company. And
Very
Baguio.
nice.
Our Baguio friends.
Very nice.
Yeah, very nice. And we're eating.
It's gonna be fine. Out of all the people in the world, I just can't believe you're mine. In my life where everything is wrong, something finally went right. Now there's two less lonely people up inside. But I'll never be the one you're needing. I love you. Goodbye.
Are you having fun? Yes. Oh my God. Okay. Okay.
That I'll always stay with you.
restaurant, so we're having our early dinner. So we're gonna have early dinner at Ocho Restaurant here in downtown Tacloban. Okay.
Orders complete na po. Thank you. Pansip pa. Abang
Okay. Picture. So, leaving na mga ating mga Baguio friend. Smile!
Are you having fun?
Are you having fun? Yay! Okay, bye-bye. Happy trip. So, next adventure again.
I love it.